Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to an event and Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing this look right here. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so we will need to do it really fast. So every single time before I'm shooting the video, I decide to do something with my face. I don't know, that's just me. Let's start right here with Clinique, and I will moisturize my face real quick. So then I will be using the pore filler by NYX. Then I will use the primer by Dior. I will be using my favorite foundation, Estee Lauder. Why is my favorite foundation? Because my skin is oily. I'm saying it on my old videos. And let me try the 3-in-1 complex. I got it. It's a present on my birthday. It's the eye concealer, the moisturizer under the eye, and the third one I really don't know. That feels so good. I've got the longest vacation at the moment, and this is the first Friday I'm off, and we have an event with a car group gathering, and I'm so happy again to go and just meet them, just meet people. For all these 2 weeks, I didn't apply the foundation at all, and it's nice feeling when you're getting ready. I'll be using the Tarte in shade Light, and something that I've learned lately, so we don't need to apply it all over the area, just a little bit, and then just drag the product. Yeah. I'll be using the powder by NYX setting powder. So about the meetup, it will be on the Autodrome, and people will be racing, that's it. But I just want to go and watch. I love it. Physicians Formula Light Bronzer, as I always use, and will contour my cheekbones. The dark red color. And a little bit of black I will add on the outer corners. I will add some powder blush by Tarte, I think. By MAC. I'll be using the neon color. So the last thing left, it's eyebrows. I will do them off the camera and I will come back. Highlighter, just a little bit, and we're ready to go because I am so late. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, leave a big thumb up for this video, and subscribe to my channel if you still didn't. Until then, see you in my next video on Sunday.